Today in this video I am going to walk you through how you can make use of underline method in Froala editor. So as you can see that I have opened JSFiddle on my desktop, and these are the files for JS and CSS, and now I'm going to paste the custom HTML button inside this HTML area, and now I'm going to binding on click event on that button and then click on run. So by doing this you will get a button like this outside the editor, and now I'm going to tell you how it works. So let me just type something here and then select some of the text and then click on underline. So now you can see this is the underline text. As we all know that underline text is often used to emphasize a word within a sentence. So this is how it works, and you can use the same script in your project as well to run the functionality. And this is all about it, and thanks a lot for watching this video.